Good morning. It's day 4 here at Mercer Lake, and we've got another fun packed day ahead of us. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. So a lot of mornings here at Mercer Lake, while everyone's still waking up, I will drive just down from Mercer Lake here where the Fred Meyer is and do some shopping and pick up a few things before the day gets started. There's also a place called Big Dog Donuts here in Florence, which is right down the street from Fred Meyer. And it is the best donut place I've found in Florence. It's got these things called buttermilk bars that are really, really good. I've never had buttermilk bars at any other donut place. And so I'm gonna go stop and pick some of those up as well and kind of surprise the family and go to Fred Meyer. Alright, so we finished shopping at Fred Meyer and we got donuts, and now we are heading back to Mercer Lake to start the day off. Ray, what did they do to you?
They thought she was shivering. What was I supposed to do? Hi.
You dressed up Ray.
Well, she was shivering.
I don't like Ray dressed up.
But she was shivering. And it isn't a dress, it's a
She's
jacket.
shivering from shame from being dressed up when she's a dog.
But you have to say it like, too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, when are we gonna go to too bad?
I got some boys' time out on the water with my buddies Rob and Joel doing some wake surfing, which was a blast. It was Joel's first time ever wake surfing, and there's always a little bit of a learning curve when it comes to learning how to get up onto a wake surfboard. I have to say, he got the hang of it pretty fast and was up and going. That doesn't mean it was all smooth sailing. When we got back from wake surfing, the ladies were heading out on their own adventure on the paddle boards.
All right, so went out wake surfing this morning with Rob and Joel, and it was a blast. I'm definitely getting better at the wake surfboard as I practice and do it more often, so I'm having a lot of fun with it.
Since we got boys' time wake surfing and the ladies were all out paddling, it was now kids' time, and I got to take them all out on the inner tube. Getting dinner ready. We are gonna have tacos tonight, which looks really good. All right, there is the makings for tacos for tonight. Should be very yummy.
Oh, Mom, your shoes are fine.
I know. Thank you so much. They're beautiful. I smelled them. And they smell beautiful.
After dinner, we decided to play a family game of Telestrations.
Waiter. But you're a waiter now.
Lydia's a waiter?
Yeah. And here's Lydia. I think that was Lydia's waiter drawing.
No, that's Dad.
Oh, that's Dad's. A tray of cookies.
That'll work.
These are tray of cookies.
All right, so mine was wake surfboard. And there's my picture of the wake surfboard.
Nice.
Looks like a shot to the head.
Eating dots?
I was so confused. Like getting shot at and eating the bullets? What's happening?
So what are you guys making there?
Hot cocoa.
What time? Isn't it evening time?
Yes, it's 7 o'clock, but
How,
whatever.
how come you're making hot cocoa in the evening?
Because no one was making it in the morning.
Why wouldn't they make it in the morning?
Because they were busy. So we decided to live.
You're making Kelly choke. Are you guys afraid you're gonna get sugared up too much this late?
Nah, I already had to try iced tea.
Are you
And like 3 glasses of iced tea.
are you still gonna have hot cocoa tomorrow morning too?
Yes.
What is going on there? Kelly, are you just eating the powder straight to your mouth? Oh my lord. There's gotta be a word for that or something. Look, that's like a hot cocoa in and of itself right there.
No, it's too small.
Way too
You need at least 5 times that.
5 times that much for a hot cocoa?
And then 3 times that.
I heard the other day you put 8 scoops in your hot cocoa when everyone else put 4. Is that true, Kelly?
No, yes. Not at all.
Isn't 8 scoops too much for hot cocoa?
Miriam put like 6 to 7. Clara put 5, and I put 3.
Well, maybe you.
And I put 8.
Maybe you put too few then. Maybe that's the problem.
There is no specific amount, Dad.
We then all gathered down on the beach and started a bonfire and just sat around and caught up for a while, which was great. While the adults were all chilling out and catching up, the kids had started a boys versus girls beach war. Is the war over, or is it just on a pause, do you think?
It's on a pause.
There's no
Yeah,
more.
that's what I
It's
thought.
on a pause. Can I spray over the fire?
No.
Okay.
Look at the collateral damage.
Go to bed. We're just gonna wait here until her mom calls.
Don't spray me, don't spray
Oh, no, you're hollering for her mom.
Don't spray me. And she'll let me off the slack.
Uh-oh, Claire's coming with reinforcements.
I told you. I told you. I told you. You're so dumb. I told you.
Not over the top of me, I know that.
Well, I'm not over the top of you.
You kind of are over the top of me.
Yes, there you go.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you have favorite places you like to go with your family, please leave your comments below. We'd love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. Thanks again for joining us, and we sure hope you're doing something great today to fill your bucket. Take care.